Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ACER Nitro 5 15.6-inch gaming laptop with 10th Gen Intel Core i5 processor and NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics card. Yes, this particular ACER Nitro 5 has 3060 graphics card. We are going to open this and see what the laptop actually looks like. So let's not waste any more time and just go straight to the unboxing. You can see the ACER Nitro 5 logo right over here, Nitro 5 and ACER, and there's a nice illustration graphics printed on this particular box as well. Obviously gaming inspired. You can make out some of the giant mechas over here. Let's quickly take a look if there is some extra information on this particular box before we open this up. More or less manufacturer information and pricing, etc. So let's open this and see what we find inside. At the very top we have a quick guide. You can see there, this is a quick guide for the ACER Nitro 5. I'm going to leave this here. Very nicely packed, very tightly packed, I must say. I'm showing the charger. There it is, this is the charger. This is the power cord for the charger, not going to take it out. And the 180 watt charger from ACER. I'll leave this one here as well. It's a little tricky. And there we are. It's inside a carry pouch, which is a nice touch. This is what the ACER Nitro 5 carrying the 3060 RTX graphics card. Yes, so this variant is called the Obsidian Black variant and weighs around 2.3 kilos. I must admit, this is very thick. You can see some of the vents over here and this gaming inspired backside over here. The power cord, the charging cord goes over here. And, there are some ports on this side. There's an HDMI port, a USB-A port and a USB-C port along with the vents right over here. Anything we have on this side? Yeah, of course, we have Ethernet port, your 3.5mm port. There are also two USB-A ports over here. Let's take a look at the laptop itself. Let's open the flap. There we are. This is what the interior looks like. The display has a very thin bezel. I'm going to turn this on. Oh, it turns on. You can see Nitro written over here. Full HD 144Hz display. That's what you get with this particular laptop, by the way. It comes with 144Hz refresh rate, which is very good for gaming, ideal for gaming. There's some information, of course, here. Intel Core i5 processor, as mentioned earlier. This particular one runs on a 10300H, which is the 10th Gen Core i5 processor, along with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, which is pretty great. Some extra information here. This one has 2 slots for SSD plus 1 HDD. This current variant comes with 1 terabyte of HDD space and 256 gigabytes of SSD space, which is not bad at all. So this is basically the setup page. I'm not going to set up right now because that's a long process. We also have RGB backlit keys. You can control the brightness using the function button and the up down button, of course. Sorry, the right left button to increase and decrease brightness. This is more or less it. This is what the laptop actually looks like, and more or less this is what you'll find inside this box. Thank you for watching.